In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft support with ease. We'll walk through the process of accessing and utilizing their online help resources effectively. Whether you're dealing with an issue or looking for guidance, these steps will set you on the right path. First, let's get started by visiting the Microsoft support page. Open up your preferred web browser and enter https://support.microsoft.com NUS Contact Us into the address bar. Simply hit enter and you should be directed to the Microsoft support homepage, where a wealth of resources awaits you. Once you're on the page, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it. This action takes you to the Microsoft Login portal. Here, ensure you have your Microsoft account details handy. If you don't have an account, you might want to create one beforehand, as accessing specific support features typically requires you to be logged in. Next, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft email and password. Simply enter your credentials into the displayed fields. If you've enabled two-factor authentication or any additional security features, be ready to complete those steps as well. Logging in ensures that the support system can access your account details, preferences, and potential issues, making it easier for you to find targeted help. After successfully logging in, you'll be back at the Microsoft support page. Here, you can see various tabs offering specific categories of assistance. These categories allow you to pinpoint the exact type of support you require. Whether it's Windows troubleshooting, Office application guidance, account and billing inquiries, or device issues, each tab is designed to speed up your support journey by narrowing down the vast network of Microsoft's resources. Take your time to explore these tabs. Clicking on them will lead you to targeted help sections packed with articles, FAQs, and contact options pertinent to your selected topic. If you're unsure where to start or what category best fits your need, browsing through the options can illuminate more detailed documentation and community forums that might have already addressed your concern. Remember, using online support tools efficiently can save you time and help you resolve issues proactively. Additionally, revisiting your browsing and search history on the support page can serve as handy references for future use. That covers our guide on how to use and navigate Microsoft support. By following these clear steps, you'll equip yourself with the skills to leverage Microsoft's extensive resource network to your advantage. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Until next time, goodbye, and take care as you solve any tech challenges with confidence.